Okay. Okay. Maybe we'll have that. Throwing it over. Yeah. It's like, oh, look at there's feet.
Okay, let me get back to the beginning.
So now, okay.
Month 5 of Glorious Summer, we're going to be doing the circular border.
This bag is designed for that.
We will only have 16 blocks to embroider this month. We will be using background 1 for all of the blocks. You will need to cut a piece that is 16 by 16 pieces that are 8 by 14 of background number 1. You will also need 16 8 by 14 pieces of shape flex backing to go on the back of those blocks. So I use my stripology ruler for cutting these types of pieces. It makes them nice and even, and I always get great cuts. Adhere the SF1 to the back of the background fabric. Mark the center with a pencil. Use something that won't disappear. I use just a regular pencil on these. Do not use a pencil like this. That's going to disappear. Okay. We will make 4 from design 612 and 4 from design 618 using medium olive green, red, and pink 3.
They have had an accessory bag,
and they turn out really pretty. Notice that the petals and the leaves are the same shape. So if you're using a cutting machine, don't spend the hour I spent trying to find this leaf pattern. It is the same as the petal patterns.
Yeah, remember where this eventually you can put into your Barbie case. Yep.
We will make 4 blocks of 613 and 4 blocks of 617 in the very same fashion.
In here,
Blue green 2 is used, light yellow is used, and red is used. And just like the first 8, they will be facing opposite directions. And the patterns that you use, the designs, are in the machine. You do not have to flip your design.
Is from your module bag.
I was very frugal with the yellow fabric. I did not use my cutting machine for that one. I just laid it on there and was able to save quite a bit of fabric this way. This is the last block on my machine because I felt like this one took me a long time this month because June had been very, very busy and July is not looking any slower, to tell you the truth. If you have any questions, you can always call me or join me on Sundays are so fun to sew along with us. Anybody is welcome to do that. You can get to that through our Facebook group.
I used to always paint my toes, but I don't anymore because I do funny things.
So if anybody has any questions, go ahead and ask away. Now you had a little bit of time to think of them. Nope, no questions.
Oh, yeah.
Here are the blocks. So you'll do 4 that are this direction and then 4 that are the opposite direction, right? It'll be facing.
This is your software. Okay. And we do have software mastery classes too. This is called Creator. Okay. So it's not the full version, it's the part that has the letters in there. Okay. And you use, here's a USB.
These 2 are facing opposite directions.
There are computer requirements that you need to have. Okay. And we recommend that you get a PC. I have a.
And these are the other ones.
I bought it because I thought I could get, and sometimes I.
Yeah.
Facing the other directions.
Have at least the i7.
Okay.
But anyway.
And that's all I have for you this month. So you guys have a happy sewing. I'll see you on Sunday if you join us. I think I am sewing this Sunday. It's only when I go out of town that I don't usually get to sew, or I have to go get hay or something crazy like that.
What time, honey?
I always sew from 1 to 3 o'clock.
Yeah, yeah.
That way my California people don't have to get up at 4 in the morning or something.
Only 10. Thank you very much. for
You're
doing
welcome. Happy sewing, guys.
that.
Thanks,
Have a
Connie.
great, have a
Yep,
great
you're
week, honey.
welcome. You as well. Always a pleasure.
Because.
Say hi to everyone.
Will do.
Yeah. 'cause
Bye.
The way it sits. Okay. And there is a strap if you want to have a strap.